Okay, this is number 14 on the study guide. It says a family pays $45 each month for cable TV. The cost increases 7%. So there's our information. In the two questions, letter A says how many dollars is the increase? And then we also have to figure out the new monthly cost is blank. So I'm actually going to have my calculator up in case we need it right here. When we do this, we have to really think. So I know sometimes these numbers can overwhelm us because we're just not sure where to start. And when I think about it here, I know that I need to figure out what is 7% of 45, right? I don't know what 7% of 45 is. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use what we learned with the is over of equals percent over 100. And I know my 100 goes here because our percent is out of 100. I know that 7 goes here because it's 7% increase. And then I have my is over of. I can also think of it as part over whole. So is $45 my part or my whole? Is it my is or my of? Well, when I think about it, 45 is my total amount, and I'm trying to find 7%, 7% of 45. So if I were to re-ask this question, I would say, what is 7% of 45? And that would help me figure out my is over of. That means I know that my whole is 45, but I do not know what is the part, what's 7%. So when I do this, I am going to cross multiply. I like to highlight when I do this. So I'm going to move over to the right side, and I have 100x equals 45 times 7. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my calculator down here and do 45 times 7. I get 315. I still have 100x. Now we know that we're going to divide both sides by 100 to get that x by itself, and I end up with x equals $3.15, okay? So that means that my cost will increase by $3.15 because I found 7% of 45. Now I need to find, sorry, I keep moving my calculator. I need to find the new monthly cost. Well, the cost was $45, and I need to add my new increase to it. So it looks like my new cost will be $48.15. I do want to show you a shortcut since I have the time here for this right here. So I'm finding 7% of 45, and we know that of in math means to multiply. And I can't type in 7% into my calculator, but I can type 7% as a decimal, and that would be 0.077 hundredths, not 7/10, 7 hundredths. And if I were to do this in my calculator, I would also get $3.15. So those are two different ways to do it. I really want you to be able to do the is over of, but I also want you to be able to use what you've learned about multiplying when we see the word of, and that's another way to solve it. There you go.